Hi, I'm Rebecca from Rebecca K Home Interiors. Today I am so excited because I am getting a new door fitted from the amazing Palladio. There are many reasons why we wanted to change this door. The main reason was the constant squeak that our door made and the horrendous draft that it let in constantly. Also, what really stood out for me regarding Palladio doors is the fact that their doors are foil wrapped. So we know that we will never have the worry of having to paint the front door because it will never fade and it will always stay beautifully black. The style door that I decided to go for was the Avant Matisse. The reason this door stood out for me is its contemporary style, which I feel that will fit and blend in with our home perfectly. What I love about the Matisse is the silver chrome handle and silver lines going through it, and especially the glass panel in the centre that is going to give me so much more light in my hallway. We went for the colour bog black to tie in with our design of our home. And also what I love about Palladio is I designed this door at ease in my own home on the website with their door design app. Okay guys, so it's finally complete. The end result looks absolutely stunning. I am blown away with it. The aesthetics now just looks so beautiful against our home. Looking at it now, I can see how solid and sturdy this door is in comparison to our last door. This just makes me so happy and gives me so much peace of mind knowing that this door is so sturdy and strong.